Hello people, you are welcome to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly click on the subscribe button. Kindly click on the notification bell so that you could be the first person to receive updates from me whenever I release a new video. Guys, please, I've also created a new WhatsApp group and the link is in my description box. Click on it so that you can be able to join my WhatsApp group. Guys, today I'll be showing you a new site that you can actually claim free coins, free cryptocurrency coins for yourself. Absolutely free. You will not deposit anything, you will not pay anything. So guys, before you can claim this coin, you actually need to create a faucetpay.io before you can claim these coins. So guys, without further ado, let's jump onto this site. So this site is called xfaucet.net. xfaucet.net. So guys, when you come here, you first of all need to link your Faucet Pay wallet address before you can be able to claim your free coin. So guys, we'll be claiming a free Tron coin. So let's click on our Tron wallet address over here so that we could be able to copy it. So we've copied our Tron wallet. As you can see from here, this is faucetpay.io. This is faucetpay.io. You need to create a faucetpay.io account before you can be able to claim these free coins I'm talking about. So actually, this is my dashboard and this is my overview. So let's go and check the amount of Tron coins I'm currently having. So currently I'm having 0.00247503 satoshis of Tron coins. So guys, let's go and claim our free Tron coins. So guys, we'll head back to xfaucet.net over here. So we'll get back to xfaucet.net, then claim our free Tron coins over here. So guys, as you can see, this is Tron and they are saying we should claim. So this is Tron and they are saying we should claim free Tron coins. So let's click on claim. So it will load us to another page, and I've already linked my Tron, my faucetpay.io Tron wallet address, so there will be no need for me to link it again. So I'll just click on the human verification right now. So I'll just solve this quick captcha so that I could be able to claim my coins. So guys, I'm successfully done with the captcha. So I'll just click on claim over here. So we also do this quick captcha so that we could be able to claim our free Tron coins. So when you come here, they'll be asking you this quick captcha. So the first one is X. So guys, boom, we've claimed another 0.0002438868 Trons, and it has been sent to our faucetpay.io account. As you can see, they are saying that they've sent 0.00243864 satoshis of Tron coins. So guys, let's go and check if we've received our Tron coins or not. So we head back to our faucetpay.io account and check whether we've received our Tron coins or not. So we refresh our page. So let's go and check. So guys, boom, and over here, as you can see, we've received 0.00243864 Tron coins absolutely for free, and we received the coins from xfaucet. As you can see from here, just now we've received 0.00243864 satoshis of Tron coins. So let's check from our Tron. So as you can see from here, our Tron coins has been added and we've gotten 0.00491,367 Trons. So guys, this is really super cool and it's really legit. The site is really cool. We've received it and it's really cool. So guys, I just want you to click on the site link in my description box so that you could be able to join this site and also claim some free coins for yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it informative, if you find it really informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV.